I'm Arisha.
I'm Rajneesh.
Before moving on to the PowerPoint presentation of marketing strategy for how to promote Canadian education in India,
We took surveys from various students of Delhi University. We asked them several questions, and some of these questions would include what are their views regarding studying abroad,
and what they know about Canada, and why would they like to go to Canada for higher education. So let's take a look on our videos.
yes.
Canada is a country which gives you both the things, at least for Punjabis. Now first, it gives you that exposure of a foreign country, and then the number of Punjabis that are residing there, and the fact that has actually been turned an official language in Canada, that gives you that feeling of home, along with providing you the experience. So that's what Canada does for you. Regarding studies, there is no doubt that Canadian institutions are at a level quite higher than Indian institutions. They have place in the top 100, top 200 lists, and more than that ranking, it's about their course structure, the co-curricular activities they have, and that's what makes it a great place to study.
Hi, I'm Shiksha and I'm Asta, and our views on foreign education as follows. Obviously, abroad there's better infrastructure and the teachers are really good. They are Nobel laureates, they have so much experience, the faculty is amazing. So it's something that I always wanted to explore, going abroad and studying from a university, like maybe University of British Columbia, which is in Canada, or University of Toronto for that matter. The weather is different, the people are different, it's a whole new learning curve there, and I wish I had the exposure to explore that area, and I'm really looking forward to visiting Canada someday.
Canada ரொம்ப நல்ல கண்ட்ரின்னு கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கேன். அப்புறம் நான் ஃப்ரெஞ்சு வேறு கற்றுக்கிட்டு இருக்கேன் இப்போது, அதனால் கேனடாவில் ரொம்ப இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் இருக்குது. அப்புறம் இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங் திங் என்னன்னு கேனடாவில் ஹைஸ் ஹாக்கி ரொம்ப கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கேன், அது பார்க்கணுன்னு ஆசையில் இருக்குது. கேனடா ஓவரால் இஸ் a well developed and well structured country.
I'm Priti Gandhi, and I'm of the view that studying higher studies in abroad are better. It obviously depends on the course, but I think they're better because of the kind of exposure we get there, and the global contacts we make, there are really beneficial. And I've heard about Canada is that there are a lot of Indians there, so it's going to be easy to fit in. Also, the universities there are pretty good.
Hi, I'm Yadu Krishnan. മലയാളികൾക്ക് അബ്രോഡ് സ്റ്റഡീസ് മലയാളികൾ എപ്പോഴും പ്രിഫർ ചെയ്യുന്നത് US, കാനഡ, UK അങ്ങനെയുള്ള എല്ലാ ഇതുകളാണ് അവർ പ്രിഫർ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. കാരണം ഒബ്വിയസ്ലി അവിടുത്തെ സ്റ്റഡീസിൻ്റെ ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ് ടൈപ്പ് ഓഫ് കൾച്ചർ അതെല്ലാം നമ്മുടെ ഇന്ത്യൻ സ്റ്റഡീസായിട്ട് എൻറ്റയർലി ഡിഫറെൻ്റ് ആണ്. നമ്മുടെ ഇന്ത്യൻ സ്റ്റഡീസിൽ എന്താ പറഞ്ഞാൽ ബുക്കിലുള്ളത് എന്താ അത് പഠിക്കുകയോ എഴുതി പഠിക്കുകയോ എക്സാമിന് അത് തന്നെ റിപ്പീറ്റ് ചെയ്യും. അവിടുത്തെ സ്റ്റഡീസ് കുറച്ചും കൂടിയും പ്രാക്ടിക്കൽ ഇതാണ്. പ്രാക്ടിക്കലി നമ്മൾ ആ കാര്യം എങ്ങനെ കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നു, അതെങ്ങനെ ചെയ്യണം, എങ്ങനെ ചെയ്യാൻ പാടില്ല, പ്രാക്ടിക്കൽ നോളജ് അതിൽ.
My name is Gaurav Sureka. The reason I would like to study abroad is that the education system there is very practical based and not theory based. In India, what we have, the education system is very theoretical based. So I would like to give it a try. And also, why Canada only? Because what I have heard is that it is very peaceful. I have even heard that you can even leave your door unlocked. And the reason I would like to study in Canada is that they give a very good exposure, and also I would be able to develop global contacts. Plus, the main part is that the fees there is very, very less than what the universities in UK and US take from us. I would surely like to give it a try. Thank you.
Yeah, and I love ice hockey, and I want to make a career in ice hockey. But I'm not getting any opportunity in India, so I want to go to Canada.